Garlic remedies. 1. Insomnia, diabetes, high blood pressure, repeated migraine. Eating a few cloves of garlic every day protects you from all these diseases. The blood is purified and rid of many toxins. In the experiment, and you will not be disappointed because it is the daily health without medication. 2. Ascaris. 2 tablespoons chopped garlic in 6 tablespoons lemon juice, macerate for 12 hours, pass and drink. 3. Asthenia. A massage along the spine would be an effective remedy. Macerate 2 days in a half-filled bottle of garlic with virgin coconut juice. Drink a small glass twice per day. Drink garlic juice mixture plus lemon juice plus virgin coconut juice. 4. Burn. Put a tablespoon of garlic juice in a tablespoon of olive oil or shea butter. Beat the mixture and apply by tapping on the affected part. 5. Urinary calculus. Infuse for 20 minutes 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in a 1/4 liter of boiling water. Have a drink in the morning on an empty stomach and another in the evening before going to bed. 6. Cancer. Regular consumption of garlic has a happy influence on the causes of cancer as a result of the intestinal antipyrine action of garlic. 7. Dental cares. Crush clove of garlic and apply the resulting paste to the decayed tooth. 8. Cholesterol. Garlic reduces cholesterol in test subjects who consumed 120 grams of butter during fasting. 9. Horn at the feet. Apply a crushed pod or a slice of garlic on the horn and do not overflow and fix with a band every day until the fall of the horn, 8 to 10 days. 10. Cystalgia. Decoction: boil 3 tablespoons minced garlic in a half liter of water during the minutes. Make compresses using this infusion on the sore part. 11. Diabetes. Garlic purifies the blood of its sugar. One of the diabetes treatments is to eat a mixture of garlic and parsley every day. A British medical journal noted that garlic is also effective in purifying the blood circulation of excess glucose. 12. Digestion. Take after meals a herbal tea of garlic, their 2 pods in a liter of boiling water 2 hours later. 13. Dysentery. Boil for 15 minutes a tablespoon of chopped garlic in a 1/4 liter of water and make the enema with this decoction. 14. Sneezing. Consume a lot of garlic and there is amazing relief. 15. Liver. Taking a tablespoon of chopped garlic mixed with a tablespoon of olive oil in the evening before bedtime invigorates the liver. 16. Scabies. Boil 8 cloves of garlic for 20 minutes in 1 liter of water. Wash the affected parts with this decoction, let it dry in the air without wiping, and then apply a paste made with garlic juice and clay on the parts. 17. Hemorrhoids. Put 10 chopped cloves of garlic in a pot, heat, and then steam the seed. Make a fresh garlic juice cure for a week. 18. Hypertension arterial. To lower the tension, Let it macerate at night before bedtime. A clove of garlic well crushed in a glass, that is drunk in the morning to June. For 3 days, garlic and lemon juice. Drink a small glass twice a day. 18. Impetigo. Garlic oil is a very effective remedy for impetigo. It can take 2 weeks to cure it. The treatment is slimy and itchy. Putting garlic oil on the irritated places, the itching disappeared in half an hour. She was able to sleep all night, and in 3 days her condition returned to normal. 19. Infections. Garlic is an effective medicine against viruses and other infections. You crush 5 cloves in green salad or mix crushed garlic with butter, that is spread on bread. In addition, we drink a glass of hot water in which we mixed 4 tablespoons of cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of honey. 20. Meteorism. Eat a lot of garlic as a condiment, but eat it as well. 21. Muscle pain. Massage with garlic oil. 22. Neuritis. Massage with garlic oil. 23. Oxeos. Cook for 20 minutes. 3 tablespoons minced garlic in lemon juice. Drink this portion in the morning, on an empty stomach, and in the evening for 3 to 4 days. Repeat this treatment every month for 3 months. 24. Thyroid laziness. Fast thyroid healing foods are those that nourish the thyroid and those that purify the entire system. The thyroid feeds on the organic iodine contained in certain foods, such as all the best sources: onion, corn, salt, lemon, egg and sea fish. These foods depurate the body and nourish the thyroid gland. Iodine cannot be assimilated without vitamin E, but it is present in other purifying foods such as salads and fresh leafy vegetables. 25. Wounds. Soak 3 tablespoons chopped garlic in a half liter of cider vinegar for 10 days. Take this vinegar to disinfect and dress the wound. 26. Rheumatism. Grind garlic in olive oil or shea butter. Take this solution to make the massage. 27. Tapeworm. Chopped garlic decocted in lemon juice is effective in this treatment. Take 2 tablespoons 3 times a day, 2 hours before meals. 28. To prevent a snake from coming out of its hole, place a clove of garlic at the hole.